get a word from the BJP. Neoma Gupta joins us now from the BJP. Neoma, you just heard the Aam Aadmi Party there. They are saying you have interests of real estate people in mind, and that's the reason why your commitment towards air pollution has been so weak, because it comes at the cost of construction work and it comes at the cost of the transport ministry as well. What do you have to say?
That's a figment of his imagination, where I don't know where he's getting these thoughts from. Since the time we've come into power, all hands on deck have been taken place when it comes to steps and measures to curb pollution. Innumerable number of steps, whether it comes to pothole repair, paving the roads, like literally 26-50 kilometers of the roads have been paved. All construction demolition activities were completely banned, including literally for highways, roads, flyovers, and power lines. And that's actually economically dysfunctional, because those are all budgets which are kept within timelines. Steps
Can
like,
I just request my producers to put out the test and the reality check that our reporters have done yesterday of how GRAP is being flouted? Look at those visuals and then tell me. Tell me that construction has stopped.
Yeah, so, just to tell you, they showed it to us yesterday when we were on debate, and we have flagged. See, you please understand, when we are doing execution, we are doing everything possible. But yes, there are certain discrepancies which happen on power by anybody. But those steps, we flagged the ones you showed on TV yesterday. So by pointing out one instant and just ignoring all the other efforts would be belittling us. We are here, as I'm repeatedly telling you, by putting every step in the right direction. And we are also seeking the cooperation of citizens so that this can have a more productive result and a quicker result than one wants it to have. Having said that, him saying that, oh, we are, we are doing it for financial reasons. It's so sad to say, considering his government failed epically 10 years in the row, but not wanting to making pollution a political issue. I'm here to tell you that
but
we are
you
fully
made it a
aware.
political issue. BJP fought an entire election. BJP constructively got people of Delhi to vote on pollution. The entire, and I keep saying this, I covered that election, and I can tell you Aam Aadmi Party was ousted. They were thrown out of power. People lost deposits, etc., because people said that Arvind Kejriwal makes excuses. BJP is saying they will fix our problem, because they are at the center as well, and there will be no more excuses. Why these excuses then?
Okay, first of all, please understand, we are here doing what we promised to do and what was in our manifesto, which is get pollution, make it a non-debatable topics. If that was the case, why would we, from the day we came into power, take extreme steps, even like, I mean, you know how many potholes were there which were accumulating dust? Today, 18,000 potholes have been taken care of. You think this is only possible when pollution rises, or takes time to do such things? Anti-smog guns, I mean, 388 anti-smog guns are running over 5,000 kilometers daily.
How much of an increase is that from last year? You say 388. How many of them have gone up from last year?
Literally, I'll have to take out the numbers with me. I'll do a comparative for you. When it comes to their sprinklers and vis-a-vis ours, we are literally 3 times more on the work wing situation. Okay, even in terms of, I told you the roads, in their capacity, over 10 years, only 68 kilometers of road repairs had happened. We have done 2,650 kilometers in 7 months. So if you want to go on a comparative status, I'll show it to you.
Neoma Gupta, let's understand air pollution, and let's understand the science of air pollution. One pothole repair will not solve our problem of air pollution. I'm sure you're aware of that, right?
But
you are a Delhi citizen. You are a Delhi citizen. You are a mother. You have kids. You have read the subject as much as we have. You understand this, right? Delhi's air pollution problem cannot be solved by fixing potholes. Please stop making it as a report card issue for you. That's hardly an issue. The point is, where was the winter plan? Tell me where.
Okay, let me explain something to you.
Let me ask you a very simple question. Where was the winter plan? You knew winter was coming. You knew this is a problem that comes every year. Did we see a winter plan put out by the Delhi government that this is what we will do to ensure it doesn't escalate to hazardous categories? Yes, you cannot solve it in 1 year. We agree with you. Yes, short-term measures will be required today and long-term measures. But where is that long-term measure? Where is the plan?
since we've been working since the day we came, when you're saying roads are a report card issue, that's wrong to say because potholes collect dust, which cause a significant part of pollution. When it comes to water sprinklers, mechanical road sweepers, everything has been ongoing. You're asking me, what have we done? Increase, okay, you agree to the fact that legacy waste processing is a contributory factor. The waste to energy capacity of 7,000 tons per day has been added, and since NCR was affected, not
60% of PM particulate matter, 60% of air pollution comes from vehicles. What did you do about that?
the number of
60% comes from there.
the number of e-autos, e-shuttle buses for last mile connectivity has been increased. PS6 compliance has taken into place. Halting stone crushers, mining operations across NCR have been
Number
ordered.
बताइए ना न्योमा, number बताइए.
Closure directions to even 1556 non-compliant industrial units for violation of emission and pollution norms. Are you saying these are non-contributory factors to me? Please try and understand. Everything has to be seen in a bubble. So all steps which we are identifying from a scientific perspective, we are taking and we are continuing to evolve our ways of working in order to show results. As you correctly said, results don't happen overnight. It's not an extremely long-term solution plan, but it is a short-term solution plan to deliver results. Over here, you're mentioning a statement to me that no more roads don't matter. You're doing a what report card, if I'm not mistaken. So are you trying to tell me dust doesn't make a significant contribution to pollution? You know how much mechanized sweeping, vacuum machines during the day as well as night are preventing suspension of dust, which could have further aggravated the pollution? Public transport, you want to know detail? We increased our budget
Yes,
to
I want to know number.
12,950. I'm telling you numbers.
I want to know the number from
I'm
Aam
telling
Aadmi
you
Party
numbers.
era to BJP era. Tell me how much
Okay.
of it has increased.
Okay.
Don't say ye
Okay.
hua hai. Random
Okay,
comment
okay,
nahi. Tell
okay.
me numbers.
Okay, let's go on transport. When it came to Aam Aadmi Party, in the financial year of 24, they cut their transport ministry's budget by significant margin. They said they would bring in 5,000 new buses. Instead, the number of buses reduced. They did nothing for the last mile connectivity. Cut to, I'll tell you BJP's perspective. We increased the transport budget to 12,952 crores to be exact. Added 1350 new e-buses in 8 months, almost 2,000 to be added by March 26. We carried out route rationalization through back U-buses. After decades, increased the number of e-autos, e-shuttle buses. Heavy metro expansion in phase 4. Like when it comes to Indraprastha, 12.38 kilometers. Lajpat Nagar, Saket, G Block, 8.39 kilometers. 21 kilometers
And
of
yet
new metro
here
lines.
we
Let me
are.
finish. Listen
Ms.
to me.
Gupta,
Now,
yet here we are.
okay.
You're going breathless about all the measures, which
You
I
ask
don't
me
have
numbers,
numbers.
I'll give you numbers.
Yes, but yet here we
Okay.
are. Yet the numbers are here. We
Okay,
are
so let
careful.
me-
We are monitoring AQI numbers. They haven't dipped. They are the same. So clearly
Okay.
the measures are not enough.
Okay. So
Clearly the
can I
measures
go
are
for-
not enough, and you haven't answered my question on where was the plan. There was no preparation done.
So are
There
you
was
trying
no
to tell
plan
me
given out.
all these steps have happened without planning? All these concrete steps and numbers which you were asking for have happened without planning, ma'am. I don't think it works like that. And when it comes to why the AQI has not come down and why is it at a spike, please understand. Delhi has no weather system of its own. Depending on the states, we get rain, smog, basically all events favorable or unfavorable.
This
Thus,
is the
while we
same
are
for 10
facing
years. That
smog
doesn't
today,
change anything.
there is no
That doesn't
denying it.
change
We are
anything.
certainly still going to tackle it. We must understand, accept that this is no small. Okay, last week, why was the spike when the week before the pollution was less? Can you try and explain it to me? The
I will
western
explain
disturbance persisting over North
So
Pakistan, which
first
had
we
a
will
sharp
blame
reduction in
opposition,
wind,
and then we will blame
created perfect
then we will
condition for
blame the
smog.
climate, then we will blame everything geography,
Oh,
then we will
please.
blame
I'm so
everything.
sorry. With
Come
all
on.
due respect, nobody is
Come
blaming
on.
anybody. My first
Come
concept
on.
to you were hands on deck. We are taking every step and we will continue to take more and more steps to ensure
I wish
pollution
I
is
could
not
believe you,
existing.
because I wish the MPs and the government at the national level had taken up this matter in Parliament. I wish we had seen a winter plan. I wish we had seen a more proactive government to say, okay, let's not blame political parties, let's work on this together. I wish there was a forum in which the chief ministers of Delhi and Haryana and Punjab and UP and India at the national level, they had gotten together to say, okay, let's fix the problem now, because this is not a Delhi problem. This is a 60% of India problem. This is an air emergency that requires urgent attention. And these numbers, what you are telling me, and the effort right now has not worked because AQI is
It
still
will
high.
work. You need to give us time.
Time
It will
is
work. You will yield
time is what
results.
we
You
are
have to
losing with every
understand.
breath, and time
Well,
is what
you
I
don't
don't have on this
expect things
segment
to
as well. I
happen.
have to take a break,
Yeah.
and I have to thank you there, Ms. Gupta, for coming here and taking all those questions.